Welcome to my Loco Lizzie YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the different buttons on Adventure Academy. Make sure you check out my other videos if you want videos more like this. First, I'm going to show you what's in my backpack. You can collect different clothing or button or like house stuff, or you get a house, but more on that in another video. You can equip stuff, you can get info about stuff, you can delete stuff, but I like to just sell it, honestly, because then I actually get some money from it. I don't know what that button does. Well, right now I'm in the commons. This is the friends button. You can see what friends are online. You can search for user, and you can look at your friend requests. This is the chat button, general, private, and club. Then quests, you can have there's a bunch of quests, and you get XP and coins from quests, and then challenges, you get jewels. And over here is where you spend jewels. You have different things, but certain things are allowed for certain times, like for certain levels. You level up, but again, that's another video. And then what button next? Club. You have missions for your club. That's cool, and you get coins from it. That's the map. You can teleport almost anywhere, if you know what I mean. What button next? Oh, well, this is your character. You can get feedback, you can change character, and change clothes, settings. And I'm not going to press the help button because, it always just puts me on a black screen and never comes back. That's Professor Poe, I believe, if I got this correct. She always has fun stuff to do. Until my next video, bye!